Hey all, Dylan Chalk here with ScribeWare's software, and I wanted to make a video showing you the Create Request List feature. So the ideal use of this list was to help real estate brokers have a convenient, easy way to do their inspection responses based on findings that were made during a home inspection. So the home inspector delivers to the client and to the real estate broker a report, and now the real estate broker has a tool in which they can quickly and conveniently add an addendum to their inspection response form requesting that repairs be made or compensation be offered in exchange for findings. So here is your home inspection report. Obviously, you can click on the complete report, and now we've got all the nitty gritty. You can go to the summary page. The idea of the summary is things are sorted by urgency. And so let's just say, for example, in this case, that we just wanted to ask for major concerns to be addressed. So this rodent issue, and this is in the rodents chapter. So now I know where it's located. It's going to be really easy for me to fill out the Form 17 or whatever form a broker's using. And then I'm going to hit Create Request List. And this is like a backdoor to the whole report. So I'm going to go down to my pests and wood destroying organisms because I knew where it was. And I'm going to select that and select that. And then I could add a comment that we would like a concession for road treatment, and put in $2,500. I don't know. And we've got spell check in here. Great. So we've done that. Now you can keep going. You can add more things if you want, but let's keep this simple. So once you scrolled through the whole report, added the things to this PDF that you want, you just scroll back up to the top and hit Create Request List. It's this button right here. If you need to go back to the report and like review things, you can go up here, but Create Request List. So you hit that, and now it's going to build a little custom PDF of just the items that we've asked for. And so here is our custom PDF of this one major concern, and here are our comments below. So I hope this helps, but this is a great tool for doing inspection responses. I've even had some real estate brokers use it to make lists of items that were corrected in response to a pre-listing inspection. And it can be like a little separate PDF addendum showing the items that have been corrected. All right, I hope that helps.